60 is too much. Perfect, nice meeting you. Take care. My pleasure. Jacqueline, come on over here. Spin the wheel. Gotta get a 75. Jason's hanging in there. Jason's hanging in there. You want to say hello, Daniel?
Yes, I say hello. I love my family back home. I love all of you, my boyfriend and friends in the audience, and my boyfriend's family back at home.
Okay, there you go. 55. Could be a 95. 55. Almost. Spin again. You need a 20. 20 to 45. Hang in there, Jason. Hang in there, Jacqueline. This is the spin that decides which one of you are going to go to the showcase. One spin to get in. 20 to 45 is the number she needs. 20 to 45, and you are over by one. Sorry, Jacqueline. You're on your way to the showcase. There you go, just like that. A makeup for Jason. The tickets go to 800-852-8929. Give her a call, 800-852-8929. More Price is Right coming up.
Shop the JCPenney biggest home sale and give your home a fresh new look for spring. Be party ready with Cindy Crawford style outdoor furniture. Plus, update your home with Pure Perfection bath towels and Cindy Crawford style 400 bed count sheet sets. Go to jcp.com to see everything on sale. JCPenney.
Know the species, know the stain. You ever clean up after an alpaca? I have. It was awesome.
My RA is not the same as your RA. It acts up at different times, affects different joints, makes different movements more difficult. So when I exercise, I need a fitness program that's different too. And I found it. It's My RA Fit Kit.
People with rheumatoid arthritis have different needs. I know. That's why I helped develop My RA Fit Kit, a free exercise program you can personalize. Of course, exercise can't replace